बस एक ही नाम याद रखिए, मगध ज्ञान केंद्र कोचिंग क्लासेस।
Guys, welcome back to our channel Magad Gyan Kendra. In this video, we are going to talk about Chapter 1 of Geography, Class 7th, Environment. So, what is environment? Whatever you see in your surroundings, like buildings, houses, roads, plants, trees, humans, religion, everything in your surroundings is environment. Some objects are created by nature and other objects are created by humans. The objects that are created by nature are mountains, rivers, trees, animals, etc. and other objects that are made by humans are roads, cars, clothes, books, buildings, houses, etc. So this is the diagram that you can see for the natural environment, human made environment or human environment. The place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. That means where you live or whatever is around you is environment. Environment has two major parts, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means the world of living organisms, example plants and animals. Abiotic means the world of non living elements, example land. Now, what is natural environment? Things like land, water, air, plants, and animals comprises the natural environment. As you read in class 6, there are four major domains of Earth. Number 1, lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. Lithosphere is a domain that provides us forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture, and human settlements. It also is a source of mineral wealth. The next domain, which is a domain of water, is named as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. The third domain of Earth is atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth. The gravitational force of the Earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the ultraviolet or harmful rays of the sun. It consists of number of gases, dust and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the wealth and climate. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere, and this is the fourth major domain of the earth, the biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Now, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on the immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, deserts, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Now, what do you mean by a barter system? What is barter system? It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. That's what the earlier people do when they didn't have money what we have today. Guys, thank you for watching this video. We will make another video in which we will answer the questions or do the exercise of this chapter. So we will see you in the next video.